बुलेटिन में खबरें अब कुछ विस्तार से। आर अश्विन ने रिटायरमेंट का ऐलान कर दिया है। आर अश्विन ने इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट से संन्यास ले लिया है। गाबा टेस्ट के बाद ये संन्यास का ऐलान किया गया है। आर अश्विन ने रिटायरमेंट का फैसला लेते हुए इसकी अनाउंसमेंट कर दी गई है और ऐसे में बता दें कि गाबा टेस्ट के बाद संन्यास लेने का ऐलान जो है वो देखा जा रहा है। और चलिए रोहित शर्मा इस वक्त कुछ कह रहे हैं, सीधा सुनते हैं।
And we should all stand by what he is thinking at this point in time. That is what I am thinking right now, and that is the kind of chat we've had as well, me and Gautam Gambhir as well. It's important when a player like him, who's had so many moments with the Indian team and he's been a big match winner for us, gets to is allowed to make those decisions on his own, and if it was now, so be it.
Captain, you have played so much of cricket with Ashwin. How would you sum up Ashwin as a character, a player, and all his achievements for India and in domestic also?
Hey, look, he's a very witty character, as you saw in his press conference. He is a very funny guy. There's no doubt about it. But look, I have played cricket with Ash since under 17. He was an opener batsman then, and then few years later, we all disappeared, and then suddenly I'm hearing news about Tamil Nadu, R. Ashwin taking 5 wickets, 7 wickets, and I was wondering who this guy is because I played him as a batsman, and then suddenly he's turned out to be a bowler who's taking fifers. And then obviously, at international cricket we met again, and then we had a long journey together since 2010. So it's been a long time playing together. We all know what he's done for this team, so I don't need to repeat it again and again, but a true match winner that India has ever seen, one of the true match winners that India has ever seen in form of Ashwin. Whenever there was crisis, we had to look upon Ash, and then he was there to deliver for us. So his records speaks for itself as well. He's been such a servant of Indian cricket where he's probably not left any stone unturned.
Just on this, now that you know that Ashwin is not on the ground, given that context, how significant was what Jadeja did in the past?
No, absolutely important, and that is why we went with that thought of playing Jadeja, because we just wanted to strengthen our batting, and we wanted to bat as deep as possible, and Jadeja has obviously